Hey, what's up, guys? Mr. Something Basic and
a little basic, but it's nighttime, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. Good night.
Good night. So I'm over here with my Harbor Freight flaming stool. I purchased this probably like a year ago, a little bit over a year. It's seen its days. So basically, it's like ripped and stuff like that. I mean, I forget exactly what I paid for it, but I know for a fact I used like a coupon or something, got it for real cheap. But yeah, I'll probably post like a coupon or the price of it in a couple seconds. But this is pretty banged up. So basically, I am gonna try to make this Harbor Freight flaming stool flaming stool into a Supreme stool. You ready for it? Let's get into this. I don't think this is gonna work, but we will try. And I have a feeling that it's not gonna last long. I mean, it's not gonna last too long, I'm pretty sure, but let's get into it. I know this joint was definitely cheap. That's why I didn't really care too much about it. I knew it was gonna take a poop on me. But you can't beat the price though. Got him! That little guy. Alright. Alright. This joint's melted by the cheeks. Showing lopsided. I should definitely just put a pillow down. Should just go get that memory foam pillow, just use that and cut that. Just put the radius out. But I have a feeling that this is not going to last anyway. Man, you can just tell that that's like lopsided. My cheeks banged it up. Alright, we're going to use a Supreme bag. I know this is not going to last long, but we're going to try it. If I had a better bag, it probably looked alright. I should probably like staple that. Man, that's gonna look nasty though. If I put a staple on that, don't work. Let's see. If I put a staple on that, the sides. I don't know. Just how my staple gun's working right now. I don't feel safe with it. I end up fucking it up. That don't look too bad. Except that seam that's gonna probably rip. Except that seam. There it is. That's Supremeness. White lithium grease. There goes the Supreme. Oh, that's better with a little bit of lubrication. Alright, there goes my Supreme Harbor Freight workbench chair. That's crazy. My Supreme Harbor Freight Barstool. All right. It's working pretty good. Bubby, you still awake? Guess not. There it is, man. Oh, you are awake. Check it. You see it? Check it out. I think I should have. I kind of think I should have used new padding because it's like my cheek imprint, my butt cheek imprint. You could tell it was like I leaned on this side more often than this side. I should have used different stuff, but it is what it is.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Like it?
Yeah.
Supreme bench. You know what I mean?
And we have leftovers.
Nah, that's trash. But
You can gotta make a necklace with that.
here, sit on it. What do you think? Careful. Do a 360 in that Supreme chair. You alright? Cool. Alright, that's the Supreme bench.
It went from a classic, original Barstool from Harbor Freight.
Yep, original Harbor Freight Barstool into a Supreme.
A Supreme homemade chair.
Yeah, yeah, stool. Homemade chair. Alright. And then, I don't know, hold on. Put it in that camera, I guess. I don't know. Alright, guys, that's basically it. Didn't take too long. It was probably like 30 minutes. The only thing I used was a Harbor Freight Barstool, or whatever the hell they call it. I forget what the hell they call it.
It was a Harbor Freight fire stool.
Oh, actually, I got the sticker right here. It's Harbor Freight Automotive Flamin' Design Bar / counter swinging stool, basically.
Swinging?
Yeah.
Swinging stool.
That's basically what it's called. That's it, man. I'll let your boy scream at your daddy. When I end it off, means you're awake.
Yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click that little bell so you can notified by all of the new videos and live streams. Peace.
Holla.